How to upload CapCut videos to YouTube PC. So if you want to upload CapCut videos to your YouTube PC, then first you need to open up your CapCut. Once you open up your CapCut, now you just need to simply go with the project, go with import, and then you can simply choose the project. So for example, I'll be choosing, and once you've selected, now you just need to simply go and edit that. And once you've edited, you can simply go and export it. So click on export, and it has been exported, right? So once you've exported, now you just need to simply go with cancel and remove that. And you need to open up your YouTube. So open up your YouTube and go with the upper right, which has that create option. Click on create and then click on upload video. And here you need to drag and drop the video files to upload. Or you can simply go with select files and you can select the files which you've just exported. So I'll be choosing that. And you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter the description, the title. You can simply give it a title. So I'll be writing demo, and then you can give a description. And once you've given the description, you can go with thumbnail. You can upload a file of the thumbnail. You can also add some playlist. And if it is made for kids, then you can click on yes, it is made for kids. But if it's not, then you can go with the second option. And if you want to add some age restrictions, you can add it. You can go with show more, and you will have the paid promotion option or the altered content option, automatic chapters, and everything. If you want to add or tag someone, you can even tag them. You can simply select the video languages, the captions, and everything. Once you've done all of these, you just need to simply check if it's completed or not. Once you've checked, you can simply go with the next option, which is on the bottom right. And here you will have the video elements option. So simply go and add some video elements if you want to, and then again go with next, and again go with save. So you need to choose a visibility setting, which is I'll be choosing public, and then go with publish. And that's it. The video has been published, which you've saved from your CapCut. So that's it. That's how you can upload CapCut videos to your YouTube PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.